Hello everyone. In this video, we will see an introduction about QlikView Software. So let us go to this particular google.com, and when we will type over here in the search window, the search bar, QlikView, I'll just type as QlikView. Go to this particular QlikView. Please note that the spelling of this particular QlikView is QlikView. So it will show us the different results. This is basically the Wikipedia which is available over here. This is basically a software company which is based in US. Previously it was based in Sweden. It was started at Sweden, and then it was moved to Pennsylvania, USA. So just go to this particular software. I'll click on this and open it in the new tab. So it will now redirect us to this particular QlikView Software website. Basically, as there are different business intelligence tools are available. So QlikView or QlikSense, this is nothing but a product. QlikView is one of the products, and also QlikSense is another product from QlikView itself. So this QlikView is basically used for business intelligence. It is used as a business intelligence tool, and it is also used as a data integration tool. So over here we can see that this is particularly the web page of QlikView. Here different products are available. So this QlikView software is basically used for data analytics, also data integration. So as I told you earlier that this QlikView is having its own product in case of business intelligence as well as in case of data analytics, and it is also using data integration. And you can also combine different types of files. So QlikSense is another product which is now also used by different companies. So this is basically the introduction about QlikView. So in many of the companies they integrate the different types of data. So the data is very much large. So you will require different types of software, different types of BI. So this is one of the BI tools you can use for data integration as well as for data analytics. So you can see over here QlikView. When I will click on this particular QlikView, so it is basically redirect us to the window of QlikView. The free trial version of this particular QlikView software is also available. You can log in into your account. You have to first click to log in. You have to create your login. You have to sign up, and then you can avail the free trial version of this QlikView software. So start a free trial. If you are going to click over here, then it is going to redirect us to fill a form. Then you can use it. So that's all for this video. I hope you have understood